Hello everyone, today I shall be sharing with you how to make popular snacks known as Nigerian puff puff. First, I'll start by breaking in a clean bowl 3 eggs. I made use of 3 eggs and I added the milk then and mix together. After that, I add a little quantity of water. I mix together. I had to transfer into a bigger bowl and mix together as seen in the video. Yes guys, so after that you set it aside, and in a clean bowl you add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 2 teaspoons of active yeast. Then today I'm gonna be doing the regular puff puff. Then make a hole and add the wet ingredients. Then you mix together until the whole ingredients are properly combined. You mix together, continue to stir, continue to mix until everything is properly combined. Then you cover and allow it to rest for like 45 minutes. So while that was going on, I decided to have my breakfast as seen here. I had fried potatoes and egg sauce as seen here. So while I was waiting, I had to have this after 45 minutes. Yeah, as seen in the video, it is doubled in size. Okay, now you use the spatula to turn to mix together. Yeah, after that it is ready for frying. Then on a clean pot you set on fire, add the quantity of oil to be used for frying. After that you keep scooping into the hot oil. Remember, this oil have to be on low heat. Okay, yeah, then you scoop, continue to flip it until everything is golden brown as seen here. Then you have to do what? Scoop out of the oil into your sieve, or yeah, into the sieve for the remaining oil to drain from the puff puff. Then continue to do so until all the batter is exhausted. Hey, oh my gosh. Now it's time to do justice to, oh my god, this is so yummy guys. This is so inviting. This is good. So yummy.